Today, we review the best DJ turntables for beginners that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Numark PT01 Scratch DJ Turntable. What I like about the Numark PT01 Scratch DJ Turntable is its versatility. You can actually use this anywhere you like, having the portability that makes it easy to bring around and use.
Number 2.
Audio Technica LP1240 USB XP DJ Turntable. The Audio Technica LP1240 USB XP DJ Turntable may be intimidating given the professional name. However, this gives beginners a chance to utilize a manual turntable to progress to intermediate and advanced levels.
Number 3.
Pyle PLTTB3U USB Turntable. If you want the classic turntable without the frills and expensive price, I recommend the Pyle PLTTB3U USB Turntable. This is a belt drive USB turntable that comes with the software needed to begin producing music.
Number 4.
Pioneer DJ Direct Drive DJ Turntable. Pioneer is an excellent company that only rolls out the high-quality sound systems, with the DJ Direct Drive DJ Turntable being an excellent choice. It's made for beginners to professional DJs alike.
Number 5.
Monster Go DJ Digital Turntable. The Monster Go DJ Digital Turntable is made for those on the go. What you'll love most about it is that it isn't only portable, but has the LCD touchscreen which makes it easy to bring and use anywhere.